You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word? It's a word from Italian, a verb, meaning to fly. Of course, there's a famous song. Volare is how it's said. Let's break it down. Yes, V is pronounced like a V in Italian, it's not Spanish. Volare, the stress is on the middle syllable. Volare, the song goes, volare, oh, cantare. Volare, yeah, you got it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.